this is the CR-18P chassis, as I'm sure you well know. I found this. I'm actually going to try and credit the guy that gave me the link for this, that inspired the idea. So this is a WPL roof rack and roof ladder that just goes on the back there. Now, when you get this, it comes attached, but because of the height on the back here, I want it to actually fit to the top there. And sadly, it came quite broken. There's 4 standoff posts that fit to the truck, so that the roof is actually fitted with it sort of raised up a little bit, which would have been ideal, but that's not going to happen, because when it arrived from WPL, I ordered direct from their website, it turned up very broken. So unfortunately, I had to remove the other legs that were really badly damaged but not quite broken off. This comes separate as well, this little light bar. Yeah, it's got holes in the back, so you could actually fit LEDs in there. I'm not going to bother because I'm not a massive fan of lighting, if I'm honest. So I'm just gonna show you how we're gonna fit this. So I want the light bar. I feel like the best spacing for this is going to be with it, so that it almost runs up in line with, let's bring that a little bit closer to the camera for you, so that it runs with the light bar and the front of it, almost in line with these roof raised sections, these little elevated sections on the roof, channeling, I guess we'll call it. I've decided that for keeping it simple, because as you know, I follow the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid, which is what my professor always used to say to me. Keep it simple, man. So we are looking to fit that. Now, you probably can't see that on camera. I'm marking the roof just so I know roughly where I want to drill. There's 8 rails, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a mark on there, and we are gonna use a Dremel to put a hole on that spot there. Now, I'm just doing things the way that makes sense to me. Would you say that was the wrong tool for doing this job? Or would you guys have used a Dremel too? I'm just going to use a knife. I have got a reamer somewhere, which is probably the best for taking off those burrs. But for the sake of the video, that's what I'm going to use. So where did we say? We said about there. That's perfect. So we're just going to put another hole just in front of that one. So there we go. So I'm just cutting in there, guys. Don't struggle like I was. It was still on the pivot at the front of the truck. Don't struggle like me. I struggle because I'm an idiot. Just drop the 2 screws out in the front that hold the pivot, and the bits that go into these little arms. Just drop those 2 screws out, and then trust me, this is a lot easier. So before we button it all up, I just wanted to show you a couple of things. So quickly, I did have to drill through the bumper and through the back there to get a zip tie in on the peg, the bottom of there, to get that to fit down nicely to where I wanted it to. So as you can see, the ladder fits nicely with my decal that I wanted to come through there. And what else? There you can see the zip ties on the inside. Nothing to say, just super, super easy. So there you go, guys. There it is, all installed. It's not rocket science. This video was just to let you know that there is a roof rack out there that fits your rock van really well. And there it is on the van. I think it looks super cool. I really do. So that wraps it up for this one, guys. No matter the question, love is always the answer.